The bodies of suspected Al-Shabab fighters lie on the road as Somali troops pour over the scene. The fighters were reportedly killed in American airstrikes after fleeing from a Somali military base. Earlier, Al-Shabab had stormed the base 370 kilometers southwest of the capital Mogadishu. Military officials say 6 soldiers were killed during the attack and 2 others died after a booby-trapped vehicle was blown up as the army battled to recapture the base. Eventually, US military helicopters were deployed. According to a statement from US Africa Command, the air attack killed, in its words, 52 militants. The Somali army says the figure was even higher.
We managed to kill at least 75 Shabab militants after they attacked us, and many more were injured. We are telling people about that victory today.
Al-Shabab says it killed 42 Somali soldiers during the battle. The group retains a strong presence in parts of southern and central Somalia. It's also regularly targeted neighbouring Kenya, which sent troops to Somalia as part of an African Union force. It says it was behind Tuesday's attack in Nairobi, when 4 gunmen and a suicide bomber killed 21 people at a hotel and office complex. On Friday, 5 suspects appeared in a court in Nairobi in connection with that attack. Nadeem Barber, Al Jazeera.